Hello AFAM from El Nido, Philippines.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell for more of our adventures.
Let's go. As I said, we are in El Nido and the weather is a bit unpredictable. In fact, it is beginning to pour as we speak.
It is raining.
So we're not doing any sightseeing today. We're gonna go check out the local market and eat some Filipino foods.
We're real hungry right now, so we're ready to eat.
Ashley's been pointing out the banana leaves that you can find, but I don't think that's like a food that you eat or anything.
I think it is. I think that the flower of the banana plant is what they eat, but I haven't seen it anywhere, so maybe we can find it in this market?
Yeah, we'd have to find it prepared.
I really have no idea what they do with it, but I notice it. It's just the flower that always hangs down from the bananas.
All right, we'll keep an eye out for it. So we have fruits, vegetables, fish. You want some fish?
Dried fish?
Probably not the way you'd like it. We'll keep looking. Do you know what this is? Is that a fruit or a vegetable, do you think?
I don't know. I have seen it before, but I'm not sure what it is. I don't know. It's with the potatoes and the carrots. So maybe vegetable?
I'm gonna go with vegetable. Again, we're looking for prepared food. We've come across our first victim. Today we'll be having something we don't know the name of yet. We're gonna find out. But it's all fresh foods from the market. It's got fish, coconut, and young jackfruit. And we ordered extra rice.
How do you say this in Philippines? Ginataang Langka. Ginataang Langka.
Ginataang Langka? Ah, okay.
Jackfruit and coconut. Ah, okay.
So we're pretty sure it's called Ginataang Langka. I think.
Did you say it right? Ginataang Langka.
All right.
Okay. So there are pieces of fish in here, and then and jackfruit, which I have never had tried jackfruit. I don't think.
At least not by itself. I'm sure we've had it in something before.
That was so good.
Really?
The rice is hot. I didn't expect that.
You did good. That's good. Thank you.
That's delicious.
What does it taste like?
It's not as fishy as I expected. It's actually really light in flavor. I like the juices that are in it, and the rice is really nice and fresh and hot. Not the flavor I expected, but it's so good.
Whoa. You know what that reminds me of? It's sort of like a Thai coconut milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got coconut, like Ashley said. It has a nice sweetness to it. There's a little bit of a spice in there. I'm not sure what that is. The jackfruit, I'm not picking anything out that's like, oh, that's jackfruit, you know? And yes, the fish is really light flavored. It's kind of like a seafood coconut sauce with some chewy bits in it. Of course, you add the rice. That's great. She's also offered us some pork soup with yam. So, oh, that is nice. It's got like a real strong saltiness to it. It's good. It's like veggie broth with really strong salt. I think it's nice. It pairs well against the sweetness of that.
How do you say this pork soup in Filipino? Ilaga. Ilaga.
Ilaga. Ilaga? Okay, ilaga.
Yeah, I really like coconut. I can't tell which parts are jackfruit. Oh yeah, that's jackfruit. So helpful in the Philippines because they have these little windows and you can just literally look in and see, like, and point to what you want. Although sometimes it's hard to tell what it is.
It seems that there's definitely a lot of fish here. We are obviously in El Nido. It's a seaport, so.
Yeah, the fish actually looks kind of good. Round number 2 is something called baboy, which is like pork chop. It's fried pork, so we're gonna give it a go, try it out, see what it tastes like. When I saw it, I thought of bacon, so hopefully that's what it tastes like.
Kind of tough looking, huh? This may not be the best baboy in town. What do you think though?
But it's good. It tastes just like bacon. You're
Oh,
gonna
really?
love it. Yeah.
Like legit, like that's American bacon.
Except not like crunchy like American bacon because it's not as thin. You can see the meat right there. Well, it's greasy like bacon and tastes like bacon. It reminds me of the dish, you know, we had in Denmark. It's like their
Oh yeah.
native dish. That's what this tastes like. It's just pretty much like pork rind that's been fried up and it's crunchy and delicious.
Oh yeah. That is how she described it exactly. Soft on the inside, a little crunchy, definitely fatty, but the skin and some of the fat has just turned into this beautiful crunch. I know you're supposed to eat it all with rice, and we did get some rice, but honestly, I can eat this by itself. Maybe throw in like an apple or something to pair the taste. I'm sure that's not the way that the Filipinos do it, but my mind is just going off of the possibilities of this flavor pairing. I like this a lot. Baboy for the win. The local market is probably the best place to get food and Supreme sandals. So if you instead of waiting in line for the next Supreme drop, just head on down. 250 pesos later, about $5, you're gonna be good to go.
They're all jelly.
Yeah.
They're not for puddle splashing.
No, they're exactly for puddle splashing because I was wearing shoes before. Again, weather changes fast in El Nido in the rainy season.
I didn't know it's gonna start pouring. Coming inside.
All right, we stopped at a restaurant to get some more food because it's raining still and the power just went out.
The power went out. We're here with a bunch of Filipino kids, and we just ordered something, but who knows if they can make it. For our main dish, we've decided to have some bulalo, which is kind of like a beef soup. We have cabbage in here, beans, and a beef bone, and the meat's on the bone still, and then it's served with rice. So I think that you're supposed to put the rice in your bowl, and then scoop up some of the bulalo and put it in your bowl with the rice. So it smells really good, and I'm really excited to get warm and cozy when it's really raining outside. Not sure if we're doing this right. The meat's so tender. The meat literally just falls apart in your mouth. So good. The broth is really nice. It's hot and warm and really beefy, but that is delicious. I love steamed cabbage too, so I know I'm gonna like that part.
So I've got a little bit of the cabbage on here, the rice as well as the beef. I'm gonna try it all in one shot. You know what's nice is they use the chili in the beef broth, so you can actually taste the chili overtones. And it's just really smooth the rest of it. It's good. It's like beefy stew. It's like a stew almost. I like it. We've come to a quiet, secluded spot. I'm pretty sure they're doing construction over there, but we're trying a traditional Filipino dessert called Buko Pandan. This is Buko Pandan. It's green. I'm not sure where the green comes from, but I have some guesses. So gulaman is a gelatin made from seaweed, actually red seaweed, but that's what forms the gelatin base of this. And then pandan is a local plant from the area. I've been told it's got kind of a minty vanilla taste. I'm not sure how that works, we'll see. But it looks very interesting. It's got young coconut in it as well as some sweetened condensed type milk. let's give it a shot. Okay. Go. Whoa. That is so surprising. You did not expect those flavors. Okay, first off, it tastes like vanilla pudding, like that vanilla pudding that you get from like Jello brands. And then it's got kind of squishy strips. I'm pretty sure that's the pandan, the fruit. That may be what's giving it the vanilla flavor, but the whole thing is just a nice, sweet explosion. That is really surprising. Ash, try this.
Oh my gosh. Not a huge fan of squishy things in my desserts, but we'll give it a go. Or it's like slimy, wormy type looking things. Look at this.
I'm telling you, it's delicious.
I know what it's exactly like. Pistachio pudding. It's exactly what it tastes like to me.
Okay, yeah.
Just maybe because it's green, that's what it reminds me of, but it totally tastes like pistachio pudding, like what my mom would make in the summertime.
I can see it. I think the green is influencing your taste buds.
It might be, but I don't mind the little slimy bits. It gives it a nice little texture.
All right. So, Buko Pandan, give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. I would never expect this to be a dessert. I would never make this up in my brain. Who made this?
Filipinos, man.
So crazy. We have not had one thing we don't like today.
Yep, it's all good.
Crazy.
All right, we are going to enjoy our Buko Pandan and just sit and enjoy this beautiful racket, I guess. We're gonna go to the beach and I think just watch the sun go down. So Wave Fam, I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today. And we'll see you in the next video. More from the Philippines soon.
More food from the Philippines soon, for sure. Bye.
Bye.